In this video, we will talk about addition of signed integers. Signed numbers means positive or negative. All right. So number could be either positive or it could be negative. That's what signed numbers mean. All right. And before we move on, I want to further categorize that numbers 1 and 2 are of the similar type in that we are adding two numbers with same sign. Like number 1, 3 and 5, both are positive. Number 2, negative 3, negative 5, both are negative. All right, so the reason why I'm categorizing is that number 1 and 2, we have different rules compared to numbers 3 and 4. Problem 3 and 4, we are dealing with two numbers with opposite sign. All right, so let's begin. Number 1 is pretty simple. I'm sure you all know that 3 plus 5 is equal to positive 8. All right. Number 2 is similar, but since both are negative, what we end up with is both answer will be negative 8. So what's happening is when we are adding two numbers with same sign, we are adding the 3 and the 5. Number 2, we are adding 3 and the 5. It's just that since both are negative, the result turns out to be a negative 8. Okay, number 3 and 4 are different. When we add two numbers with opposite sign, like problem 3, we have 5 and negative 3, we're actually subtracting. What we are actually doing here is this is same as 5 subtract 3. And of course, we all know that that is positive 2. Number 4, it's actually 3 subtract 5. Now, you're probably told in the elementary school you cannot take away 5 from 3. But here in pre-algebra or algebra, we can. Just the answer will be a negative. Right? So here, the answer is negative 2. So what I want to emphasize is that numbers 1 and 2, we are actually doing the addition. And you're saying, well, isn't that what the problem is? Well, number 3 and the 4, we are actually subtracting.